Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of Tips by Home Tech. On this channel, we talk about all things home remodeling, design, and construction. If you'd like to learn more, please consider subscribing. Today we're going to talk about a few tips on how to make your kitchen feel bigger. Does your kitchen feel cramped? It may be tempting to imagine tearing down walls and expanding your kitchen altogether, but unless you have the right knowledge, budget, and layout, a complete kitchen remodel may be out of the question. That doesn't mean you're stuck with a smaller kitchen space though. Here are 3 simple tips to help you make your kitchen look and feel bigger without having to make any major renovations to your home. Tip number 1, go with light colors. Not only are white kitchens very trendy right now, they also offer more benefits than just being beautiful. Light colors are more reflective than dark colors, and they will make your kitchen appear bigger as well as more open and airy. So when choosing paints, tiles, and cabinetry, consider colors such as white, ivory, light blue, and gray. Incorporating these colors into your kitchen will bring a lot of light into your kitchen, making it feel less crowded and more open. Tip number 2, add reflective surfaces to your kitchen. The key to making your petite kitchen space feel and look bigger is light. The brighter the space is, the more open it feels. Reflective and glass surfaces reflect lots of light, keeping your kitchen bright and looking more spacious. Mirrors and reflective surfaces such as stainless steel appliances, glossy painted cabinets, and polished granite countertops make a kitchen feel more spacious. The shiny surfaces of these materials can bounce light and ultimately make any kitchen feel larger. It's not too common for people to use mirrors in kitchens. However, a large mirror covering one wall can add depth to your kitchen, especially if a table or countertop is up next to it. Tip number 3, add more lighting. As previously mentioned, the key to opening up a smaller space is to take advantage of light. Having dark and shadowy areas in the kitchen can make it feel cramped. If the lighting that you currently have in your kitchen is not doing the job, don't be afraid to experiment with additional lighting. Consider installing lighting beneath the upper cabinets in your kitchen. It casts a gentle illumination that will fill in the shadows under the cabinet and reduce the contrast, giving the impression of a larger kitchen. Another option is to take advantage of the natural lighting in the kitchen. If you have a window in your kitchen, consider removing any blinds or heavy curtains. Having a bare window will let as much natural light in as possible while also giving you a view of your outdoor space. This combination will help give your kitchen a more spacious feeling. Wanting a bigger kitchen does not mean you have to go through a complete remodel. There are ways to make your kitchen feel and look bigger, all without tearing down any walls. I hope these tips have helped you think of ways to open up your kitchen space. Stay tuned for the next video in the Tips by Home Tech series. Thanks again everyone, and make it a great day.